Hey guys, it's your girl Ayesha, and today I'm going to show you how I made the most extra ring I have ever made in my entire life. It is a Sakura Cafe themed ring. Yes, honey, burger and chips and a Sakura latte all on one finger. I know, I'm a lot. So basically, we got a fast food miniatures Elves box, and at first I was a bit like, is this really my theme? Is this really my thing? Can I make it my thing? Yes, I can. I didn't really have as much interest in, using burgers and fries and nuggets and all the rest of it. But when I thought, what if I could make it pink and flowery? Suddenly, I absolutely wanted burger and chips and a milkshake of some sorts on my hand. So this is how I managed to achieve that. So at this point, I actually wasn't sure what I was going to do. I didn't know whether I was going to make the burger and the fries as a set of earrings or if they were going to be separate rings. I just knew that it was damn cute and I needed to make it into something. You guys already know I like to make things that are functional as well as adorable. So I just thought, you know what, let me just make whatever it is that I feel moved to make and I'll work it out later. I must say I thoroughly enjoyed making these little fries because they actually looked quite realistic and it did make me quite hungry. Next, it was time for me to make the Sakura latte. Now, there is a lot of layering involved in this. I'm using one of my favorite Larisi mixes. I've forgotten what it's actually called, but it's just beautiful because it's got the little like Sakura blossoms and then it's also got the petals and more confetti. It's just gorgeous. Just look at it. Oh my gosh. But as you can see, I'm making sure that those petals are being seen. That's why I keep on rotating the mold so that when the resin is curing, it's kind of also like dripping downwards as well, so that it's getting stuck to the outside, just to make sure that those petals are definitely going to be visible. So yeah, I had to really take my time with this because I wanted to make sure that every little bit was seen. And I kind of wanted it to look like it had been just freshly stirred as well. And I really love this mold because you can have either a normal lid or you can have a whipped cream topping or you can have ice cubes. Like there's a lot that you can actually do with this, but look at how gorgeous that it turned out. Isn't it just so adorable? And so now it's time for me to make the little box, and I just went to town with this glitter. Honestly, I'm obsessed with it. It's definitely my favorite mix. At this point, I still wasn't entirely sure of what I was going to make this into, but I just thought, I feel like they all need to go together. And I used the fries mold with some white resin to make a little straw for the latte. How cute is this? Oh my goodness, I am so extra. What is wrong with me? So anyway, once I had made all three pieces, I thought they've just got to all go in there together. So I just popped them in, filled it in with some more resin and some more of the Sakura glitter. And then I just glued the ring to the back. I also covered that with some more resin too. And look at the result. What do we think, guys? Would you wear this ring? I know it's a lot. I won't take offense if the answer is no, but I will most definitely be wearing this. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share it with a friend. Take care, my darlings, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.